This is the Sharp SW-130HT semi-automatic horizontal bandsaw with miter cutting performance. It is ruggedly constructed, high-precision machine with optimum cost-to-performance ratio. The saw head can be easily swiveled in the range of 0 to 60 degrees for miter cutting, without need to swing the material to be cut. The swivel saw head allows the user to cut at any angle between 90 degrees, straight cut, and 60 degrees, miter cut. The precision pivot system facilitates easy and accurate adjustment for angle cuts. When the saw head is set at 90 degrees, the cutting capacity of the machine is 13-inch round, 11-inch square, and 10.6 by 18-inch rectangular stock. These provide an infinite range of cutting pressure and a rapid approach to the workpiece. The standard blade speed control provides 4 blade speeds, 75 to 247 feet per minute, that can be easily changed with a toggle clamp device to accommodate all types of materials. As an option, an infinitely variable blade speed system utilizing a 3 horsepower drive motor with blade speeds from 102 to 377 feet per minute incorporates a full stroking cylinder to provide tight clamping of any material from the operator's station. This eliminates the operator having to hand position the vise when material sizes change. When cutting cycle is finished, the saw head will raise automatically to a preset height to facilitate the next cutting cycle. The saw blade guides provide firm support from the top of the blade, ensuring stability of the saw blade and maintaining cutting accuracy while increasing the service life of the blade. A blade tension device ensures proper blade tension for quality cuts and longer blade life. The synchronized blade brush removes chips from the blade gullets during cutting. It helps keep the blade clean at all times for high cutting efficiency and extending the blade life.